Emily and Tommy, can we say hi, Jake? Can we say hi, Uncle Keith? Where are you going, Tommy? They can't see you. Say hi, Uncle Keith. Say hi, Aunt Janine.
Hi, Janine.
Aunt Janine. You're going to go down the slide. Is that rice?
No.
No. Say, we love you, Jake. We miss you, Jake. We're going to see you soon, Jake. We're going to have fun. Are you going to wake Jake up at 5 o'clock in the morning? You are? Do you think Aunt Janine and Uncle Keith are going to like that? Oh, they are? They're going to like that? What are you drawing for Jake? Oh, that's a nice picture. Oh, that's nice drawing. Jake's gonna like that. Are you gonna draw when you get to Jake's house? You two are silly. Here, look this way. That way they can see you. Hi. Say hi, Jake. Say
Hi, Jake. Okay.
Whoa. You're very close to the camera. Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, Jake. See? No, I'm taking a video of you for Jake. Oh, really?
Mickey Mouse. Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Tommy, can you sing a song for Jake? What song do you want to sing? You want to sing your ABCs? A, B, C. T? Yes, I saw you threw the chalk. We're not supposed to throw the chalk, though. That's how it breaks. Is your song over? Your song's over? Please stop throwing the chalk. Emily, do you want to sing? Where are you? There. What are you going to sing for Jake? What are you going to sing for Jake? Happy birthday? Okay. Happy.
Tell me this. I draw that.
Say bye, Jake. Say bye, Uncle Keith. Say bye, Aunt Janine. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you soon. 39 more days. 37 more days. Say 37 more days. Can you look at the camera and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tommy, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
I can't see your face. Where's your face?
Yeah.
Right there.